In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and run reports in Zoho Books. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the steps to create a custom report. Whether you're managing your business finances or just keeping track of sales, learning how to navigate Zoho Books' reporting features will be a useful skill. To get started, you'll first need to make your way over to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is essentially your main hub, where all the core features of Zoho Books are housed. Once you've landed on the dashboard, look for the Reports section. This option is usually prominently displayed in the main menu area. Clicking on Reports will take you to a dedicated page where you can manage and generate a variety of reports to suit your needs. Now, let's dive into creating a new report. On this reports page, you should see an option labeled Create New Report. Clicking this will let you design a report that's specifically tailored for your business goals. After selecting this option, you'll be prompted to choose a parent module. Today, we'll focus on the Invoice module, so go ahead and select Invoice. After making your selection, simply click Next. Doing so will bring you to an area where you'll refine the intricate details of your report. First up is deciding on the date range. The date range you choose will dictate the time frame that your report will cover, which is crucial for ensuring that the correct data is included. Following the date range setup, you'll notice an option labeled Group By. Initially, this might be set to None. However, for structuring your report effectively, let's change this option to Invoice Date. Grouping by invoice date offers a clear organization of your report data based on when each invoice was issued. Once that's done, continue by clicking Next once more. This step focuses on highlighting specific details in your report. By emphasizing particular data points, you can make crucial information stand out more prominently, granting quicker insights at a glance. Follow the on-screen prompts to get these data highlights just right. After you've highlighted everything to your liking, click Next to review all your selections. Now, you're near the finish line. So take a moment to ensure everything aligns with your expectations. If all looks good, proceed by clicking Next again. Now, it's time to name your report within the export settings. Choose a descriptive and meaningful name to make your report easily identifiable later on. Consider adding a short description to convey further context about the report's content or purpose. Finally, it's time to save your custom report. Find and click on the Save Custom Report button. This action will save all your work and store your custom report within your Zoho Book system. And there you have it. You've just learned how to find and run reports in Zoho Books. With your newly created custom report, you can now analyze your business data more effectively and make informed decisions based on real insights. Thank you for watching and happy reporting!